Now move on to practice. Exercise 1. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs. Share, tidy, let. Pause the video, read the sentences carefully and do the task. Now let's do the task together. 1. He left this room in a mess means he left it untidy. He promised that he would tidy his room, but he left it in a mess. After modal would, the verb tidy must be in the infinitive form. Two, we've got the expression share a room with somebody. So share is the best choice in this case. You two goes with the verb in infinity to talk about a past situation that is no longer true. The complete sentence should be, I used to share a room with my sister when I was young. 3. Let is the most suitable one in this case due to the expression let our rooms to somebody. The situation is in the present and the subject she is the third singular person, so the sentence becomes, my aunt has a very large house. She lets out one of the rooms to a student. That's the end of exercise 1. Now move on to exercise 2, match to halves to make meaningful sentences. Again, pause the video and do the exercise. One, if Anne decides to stay the night, is the if clause of the Taiwan conditional, so it can match with letter C. She can sleep in the spare room. The complete sentence is, if Anne decides to stay the night, she can sleep in the spare room. 2. Tidy and in a mess are the opposite pair, so number 2 should match with letter D, and the full sentence will be, my sister's room is always tidy, but mine is always in a mess. 3. I'd like a book. It's a request and often goes with please, and a room with a balcony and a sea view is a good phrase. So number 3 should match with letter H. I'd like to book a double room with a balcony and a sea view, please. 4 and E. At the party, the sitting room was so crowded, there were nowhere to sit. 5. The room is locked, so we'll need a key to unlock it or open it. So number 5 should match with letter A. We'll need someone with a key. The room is locked. 6. The room is bright because it gets the sun most of the day. So sentences could match with letter F. The kitchen is a very bright room. It gets the sun most of the day. 7. I could hear the television somewhere. So the complete sentence should be, I could clearly hear the television in the next room. 8. The seat in the waiting room is the subject of the sentence, and it requires its verb. So number 8 can go with letter G, and the complete sentence will be, the seats in the waiting room were hot and very uncomfortable. That's the end of exercise 2. Let's review 14 expressions of room again. Don't forget to read them out loud.